This OSHA GHS training is provided by Intercon Chemical. The cleaner, the better. OSHA revised its Hazard Communication Standard, HAZCOM 2012, to align with the United Nations Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, GHS. What you need to do and when is shown in this OSHA effective completion date chart. Manufacturers must meet a June 1, 2015 completion date for complying with modified provisions of HAZCOM 2012. Distributors may ship products labeled by the manufacturer or importer under the old system until December 1, 2015. Employer responsibilities due June 1, 2016 are also detailed by OSHA. The three major changes are: hazard classifications definitions have been changed, labels have been standardized, and material safety data sheets are now safety data sheets with a specified 16-section format. OSHA objectives for aligning with the globally harmonized system, GHS, is to improve safety and health of workers through more effective communication on chemical hazards. The 6 new labeling elements include product identifier, signal word, pictogram, hazard statement or statements, precautionary statements, contact info of manufacturer, distributor, or importer. Product identifier, how the chemical is identified. Signal word, danger or warning. Eight required HCS pictograms and hazards to describe a hazard category. Health hazard pictogram. Flame pictogram. Exclamation mark pictogram. Gas cylinder pictogram. Corrosion pictogram. Exploding bomb pictogram. Flame over circle pictogram. Skull and crossbones pictogram. Non-mandatory environment pictogram for aquatic toxicity. Hazard statement or statements that describe the nature of the hazard or hazards of a chemical, including, where appropriate, the degree of hazard. Precautionary statement or statements. Workplace training requirements, including proper storage information on the label. How to quickly locate first aid information on the label. How to read the label and how the elements work together. And what to do with similar precautionary statements. MSDS are now termed SDS Hazard Communication Safety Data Sheets and include 16 sections. Section 1. Identification includes product identifier, manufacturer or distributor name, address, phone number, emergency phone number, recommended use, restrictions on use. Section 2. Hazard or hazards. Identification includes all hazards regarding the chemical. Required label elements. Section 3. Composition information on ingredients includes information on chemical ingredients, trade secret claims. Section 4. First aid measures includes important symptoms, effects, acute, delayed, required treatment. Section 5. Firefighting measures lists suitable extinguishing techniques, equipment, chemical hazards from fire. Section 6. Accidental release measures lists emergency procedures, protective equipment, proper methods of containment and cleanup. Section 7. Handling and storage lists precautions for safe handling and storage, including incompatibilities. Section 8. Exposure Controls Personal Protection lists OSHA's permissible exposure limits, PELs, threshold limit values, TLVs, appropriate engineering controls, personal protective equipment, PPE. Section 9. Physical and chemical properties lists the chemical's characteristics. Section 10. Stability and reactivity lists the chemical stability and possibility of hazardous reactions. Section 11. Toxicological information includes routes of exposure, related symptoms, acute and chronic effects, numerical measures of toxicity. Sections 12 through 15 are regulated by agencies other than OSHA, ecological, disposal, transport, and regulatory information. Section 16, other information, includes the date of preparation or last revision. Please contact Intercon Chemical at 314-771-6600 with your GHS training questions or to discuss new additions to your Intercon product mix.